Hello guys, and welcome to another Flyby Technology video. I want to talk to you today about the amendment record for CAP 722, which is the guidance for operation of unmanned aerial vehicles. You have to have this up to date in terms of references in your operations manual, and so what I want to do today is just show you a few little gotchas and a few little warning signs that you might not be on the right track. Now, if you look on the CAA website at CAP 722, you'll see a number of the publications listed there for you to click on. And one of them is 722 PAR, and that is the amendment record. And I want to show you a little bit about how those amendment records can catch you out. So here we are, we've just opened up on the CAA website, and we've gone to CAP 722 Publication Amendment Record. As you see there, I've put a red box around what you have to click on, and once you've opened that, then you'll be able to see what the amendments are. And at the moment, you've got amendments 1, 2 and 3. This is amendment 2, and they've highlighted it in yellow. Not that helps you an awful lot, because in a little while, as you'll see, and I'll put a red box around it now, but actually what's happening here is that it's not underlined in red, and that's how the CAA portrays new amendments. And because they've put 3 amendments together, and the last one being number 3, they haven't underlined amendments 1 and 2, just amendment 3. So here in the publication amendment record again, this time under number 3, amendment number 3, as you can see, they've highlighted it in yellow. And then as we move on through the document and on to CAP 722 itself, as you can see here, it's now underlined in red. And that's what we were looking for. So if all you're ever going to do is get the newest version of CAP 722 and look across and see what's been underlined in red, you could be missing other changes. So it is beholding on you to go into that PAR, that amendment record, and actually go into every single box and have a look in the main document to make sure that you're up to date, because you may miss something, and with spot checks then you're likely to find yourself on the receiving end. So that's the way to do it. Look in the amendment record and actually go through each of the boxes and check in the main document itself. I know it's a pain, but that's the way it has to be done. And so there is a gotcha there at the moment, so please just keep an eye on your amendment records. So there you have it, folks, a quick guide as to what to do with your amendments, and how not to fall into that obvious trap of just looking for underlined amendments in the document itself. If you're looking to make sure that you're up to date, you need to look at the full reference and then carry that through. Well, thank you folks for watching the video, and please be sure to subscribe to the channel and also click on the notification bell so you get notification next time that we update the channel for you. And thanks for listening. You can see our website on flybydronetraining.co.uk.